Next up, the Sattiq Poppy Farmhouse. If we have a look at the center of the map over here, then to the west, we'll have the Sattiq Cave Complex. Here's where it gets a bit confusing. We'll zoom in on the upper caverns icon here, that'll always be here, and looking to the north, then to the west, following the road, we'll reach a circle like this. When we zoom in on it, this building over here, the west side of the north here, you'll find this building. That's where we need to head. This area is usually very well protected, as there's tons of monuments and things like that nearby, so don't stray too far from where you want to be. But if you enter gingerly enough, you'll usually be fine. Otherwise, bring lots of plates or some friends. Okay, so navigating across to this building here, you can see that it's a locked off door, and this is the Sattiq Poppy Farmhouse. Super easy to get to, assuming you know where to look. And of course, only one entrance. You can also, at this point in time, peek through the top here and maybe see if there's some good loot. It's difficult though. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Techno Behavior Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!